Hi Aquarius, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to take the day of today, that is 12th of October to the 21st of October. I am going to look at your tarot cards which have come out for you while I was divinating for you. This is for the tropical sign of Aquarius, sun sign of Aquarius. I am going to look for your energies and talk about that. People who have the moon sign can also watch this for emotional takeaways. So let's start your reading. The first card, that thought card or your characterization at this moment, is of the Queen of Swords. So the Queen of Swords is your card, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Queen. So Aquarius, Queen, powers in you. It can be for any gender, whoever is watching me. So this energy is talking about an energy of someone who is very intellectual, who is cool, who is calm in any kind of danger situations. This person is able to control any situation that comes up in front of them. They use head to head, they use their head in everything. So they reason out and try to find solutions for problems. Sometimes the solutions that they give may not be what they really intend to, but some solutions do come up because of their intervention. So you are in this energy, and sometimes people can think that you are cold and ruthless, and sometimes they can feel intimidated, but once they get to know you, they know that they can respect you because of your intelligence. So what is the first energy which is coming in as an action card? So two cards have fallen for you. One is clarifying. So the justice card has come, and the clarification is the magician. So justice and magician means that you will be extremely smart at this time, a great executor who can see the truth. Some of you will be executing contracts, legal contracts, going through legal procedures, and you will be having favorable circumstances. After that, results will be good for you, favorable for you, or you will do fairness towards others. You will be fair in your operations. That is what I am seeing. And you will be manifesting some of the results of fairness for yourself. So justice will be done to you. If some of you are in a situation wherein you feel that something unjust or unfair has been done towards you, so with your manifestation power, you are going to show people that you are on the right side, you are the person who is correct. So justice will take place for you. That is what I am seeing. This is happening because of a situation that has caused trouble for you. There is competition, there is some problem, there are people who are wanting to pull you down or create troubles or obstacles in your path. You are feeling sadness because of that. You are feeling sadness, but angels are telling you that this is part of change. The fibers in a reading always tell you that these are short term energies and they will pass off, because some change is coming in your situations of career or your love or your relationship. Something is changing here. So what is changing? There is something, some hope which you had with something is ending now. There was a certain hope, there was a certain awakening or awareness regarding a relationship or regarding a job. It's ending. Some aspect of this situation is ending for you. Take it how it resonates. It could be a project, it could be the final decision will be taken. So what I see is the decision will be in your favor, but something will end because of that. Something will end because of that, and there is ending in this hopeful situation. It is happening because of the challenge of Seven of Pentacles. This means that a relationship or a job where you put in all your effort was faulty somewhere, was not bringing you the result. maybe you need to redo or rebuild something. There is a problem in the plan. That is what angels are saying. So you need to sit and redraw a plan. Think about the money, effort, time, and whatever you gave to a certain situation regarding your livelihood or regarding your relationship has tanked. So right now what's going to happen is some of you are going to walk away or someone has walked away from you. So there has been a situation where the things were left behind, disappointing situations were left behind by someone of the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or it is your energy which is walking away from something. But angels are saying the Queen of Pentacles will be here, or a stable situation has come to an end because someone decided to abandon it. It could be a sign of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So someone walked away, either a water sign or an earth sign walked away from your life, or you walked away from them. So the situation has ended. The hopeful situation that you felt would start has ended. So it could be some offer of permanence or offer of stability that has gone away because you decided to take move on from that situation. That is what I am seeing. Regarding something, I am seeing again that there will be a situation of delay. There will be a situation of delay in progress, or you are getting curious about something or someone. There could be another air sign around you, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This person is creating some troubles for you. This person is heavily curious, inspecting you, stalking you. Maybe they are doing it on social media, or some news that you were expecting or some result that you were expecting has not come. It is getting delayed. I think it is represented by Six of Pentacles or clarified by that. This means that money situation that you were thinking will pay off, or someone will pay you off, or someone is going to give you the money that you require for your studies or for your research or for your furtherance of your career is not coming in on time, but it is going to come in. Angels are saying reciprocation will happen, generosity will happen, someone will sponsor you, someone will give you the money, someone will support you in this venture that you are thinking about. So a lucky break is going to come in, or a fire sign is coming towards you. So there can be a lucky breakthrough through a genius of you or intelligence of you. You are going to get a new job, you are going to get a new opportunity, you are going to become the person of interest or master of something in this period, or there will be a starting. Some of you will be getting out of traumatic situation with this energy of Queen of Wands and getting out, and you will be determined, you will have the willpower to put your troubles behind and move on from a certain situation that is dead now. You had to walk away from that, go towards something that is much more fulfilling or much more calm, much more peaceful. That is what I am seeing. So all the energies are very mature here except for the Page of Swords energy. Page of Swords could be shallow talk regarding some money issue or job issue which is getting delayed. Otherwise everything else looks like a major decision that you are going to take at this time. The outcome energy is showing that there will be conflict regarding some decisions because of some loss you made in the past, or the problems or obstacles that are coming in your path, or you are expecting them. So you are going to hang on to a situation. You will not be able to take a proper or clear decision very fast. You will get conflicted about something with some mixed signals from someone. So whatever it is, there is going to be a stalemate, but angels are saying in this period you are also going to heal, you are also going to see some success, you are also going to enjoy with friends, and you are going to get some promotion or upgradation. So first level of something will be crossed by you. A situation will go towards healing. That is what angels are saying. If someone walked away, something died for you, for them, for those Aquarius, I am seeing that maybe a long lost friend or a person of interest will come back. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying that you will go through heartbreak in this 10-day period, or you have already gone through heartbreak that is making you disinterested, passive, apathetic towards new situations in your life. But angels are saying there is hidden love which is going to come in. There is going to be joy and happiness that can come in. Revival, growth, recovery will happen for you. Angels are asking you to determine your willpower. Be willful in what you do. Take control of the situation with the Chariot. For some of you, there is movement happening. There can be someone coming towards you, could be a Cancerian or any other sign. So there are going to be movements either towards you or for you. So you will be able to get out of the situations of obstacle, because there is overwhelming love or emotions which will be presented to you by someone, or some opportunity will come up in job which will take you towards it and you will go towards it with focus and willpower. That is what I am seeing. So Aquarians, if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. People who have problems in their life, they can contact me for a personal reading. And people who are missing out my readings, you can you should subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get your readings on time. And people who want a personal read, they can contact me through the comment box. People who just want to write a comment can write there as well. And let me tell you, my readings are pre-booked and prepaid, so make up your mind and then come to me, because these readings are not free, because I give my valuable time, and it has to be valued. So that's it. Bye bye.